God's Word. February 19, 2025. Mark chapter 8 verses 22 to 26. 22 And they came to Bethsaida. And they bring to him a blind man. And they besought him that he would touch him. 23 And taking the blind man by the hand, he led him out of the town, and spitting upon his eyes, laying his hands on him, he asked him if he saw anything. 24 And looking up, he said, I see men as it were trees, walking. 25 After that again he laid his hands upon his eyes, and he began to see, and was restored, so that he saw all things clearly. 26 And he sent him into his house, saying, Go into thy house, and if thou enter into the town, tell nobody.